Hi guys, good day. We have a new vibe to share with you, our favorite Filipino dessert. It's called MAJa Blanca. Pour the coconut milk in a cooking pot. Add condensed milk, sugar, and whole sweet kernel corn. Then stir until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Combine the milk and cornstarch, then whisk until the cornstarch is diluted. Simmer for 8 minutes. Pour the fresh milk with cornstarch mixture in the cooking pot and stir thoroughly. Allow to cook while stirring until the mixture reaches your desired thickness. Pour the mixture in a Tupperware, then arrange and flatten the top using a flat tool such as a plastic spatula. Garnish with cheese, toasted grated coconut, or laddick.